Started greetings everyone. So today we're going through exercise code magnets for chapter 1. I am with Tom.
Hello, Lindo. Hello,
Thank you
everyone.
for greetings. Yes, thank you. Okay. So the exercise we're going through right now is rearranging the code snippets to make a working Java program that produces the output listed below. So here, they're just giving us all the snippets, and what they want us to print out is this A minus B space C minus D, using all those code snippets as you see them here. All right, can I go through the code, Tom?
Yeah, let's jump into it.
Okay, cool. And then here, rather than naming my class shuffle, I name my class code magnets according to the name of the exercise, and same as the Java application file. The Java application file is named according to the main class. So our main class in this file is code magnets. And then in 10, we also declared a main method. Here, as you see it, the static void main method, which is going to be running all our code. And then after that, we declared a variable, or rather we assigned a variable x, which is equal to 3, which we are going to use now for this conditional statement, or rather this conditional while loop statement. And then Tom is going to take us through the while loop.
Okay, cool. So, um, with the while loop, because we declared x, we declared a variable x equals 3, we're able to make a conditional with x in our while loop. So here we have a while loop saying if while x is greater than 0, then basically all of this will run. So while x is greater than 0, this if statement runs where it's checking if x is greater than 2. In this conditional, it basically is greater than 2 because x is equal to 3. So if x is greater than 2, then we're basically gonna print a. As you can see here, it shows a over there. Then over here we have this variable declaration where we basically saying x minus 1, so we're subtracting 3 with 1, so then x becomes 2, right? So after that happens, we gonna print this dash over here, and that's how we get this dash before the b. Then we have another if statement that it jumps into, where it's basically saying if x is equal to 2, and in this case it is because before we basically subtracted x by 1. So if x is equal to 2, then it's gonna print this string, which is bc. So we can see over here bc. Then it jumps into this if statement after that, which is basically checking if x is equal to 1, then it's gonna basically print d, and then we can see here it prints d over there. So this runs true because within this while loop we basically subtracted x by 1 basically, and x becomes 1 basically. So after that happens, when x is subtracted by 1, it becomes 0, and because it's 0, this while loop no longer runs, and then it exits the while loop. And that's how we basically get this final result over here. So yeah. Lindo, did I cover this while loop? Did I miss anything?
Oh, yes, I just want to explain the part that every time, like while loop runs each and every time, meaning it runs for the first time when x is equal to 3. So it's going to run the first if statement, right? And then if this conditional is going to be correct, then it's going to execute the code. Then it's going to go through the second if statement, excuse me, then it's not going to run since x is not equal to 2.